Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can factory reset Windows 11 or 10. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to sell PC, if your computer is not working properly, maybe you want to delete all the files, it's quite easy and straightforward. So you just need to go to settings. On search, you just need to write settings. Then you need to go to system. Then on system, scroll down until you see recovery, right? Press on that. Then reset PC should be under the recovery options. Select that, reset PC, and then you will have two options. You can keep your files and just remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. And for example, if you want to sell your PC, you need to just remove everything. So remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So you just need to press on that. As you can see here, getting things ready. You can download and files and reinstall to Windows, or you can reinstall Windows from this device. So press whatever you like here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.